Thanks to Unreal Engine 5.7, retargeting an animation onto your metahuman is easier than ever. Simply go to the animation you want to retarget, right-click on it, and go to Retarget Animations. In the Target skeletal mesh, you need to select the body preview of your metahuman. Once selected, you can now double-click on the animation and see how it already looks. Now export it and select your desired export location. Confirm the export and there you have your retargeted animation. In order to get this animation onto your metahuman, simply go to a level sequence where your metahuman is already inside. Go to the body and on the plus icon you can now import the retargeted animation. But watch out, the animation does not play yet because we still need to delete our metahuman control rig. Now there is our retargeted animation. Pro tip: if you want to customize this animation, you need to add your animation in a different way. Go to your control rig, right-click inside your sequencer, and now choose Import Animation Sequence and select the desired animation. You can now customize this animation by hitting the plus icon next to your control rig and then choosing Additive. Now you have a second control rig where you can apply all the changes. Like and subscribe so you don't miss out on easy Unreal Engine tutorials.